Okay, in this video, we're going to write an explicit formula from a recursive formula. So the recursive formula for the height above the ground of the nth step of the stairs shown is a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 4, with a sub 1 equals 7. So I'm going to rewrite that. That is our recursive rule. A sub 1 equals 7. A sub n equals a sub n minus 1. Remember that just stands for the previous term, plus 4. So we want to make sure that we recognize the different parts of the recursive rule. We have, this one's pretty clear. This is our first term. Maybe I'll even write that in. That's our first term. And then the rule tells us that you take the previous term and add 4. Then you take the previous term, the next previous term, and add 4. Because we're constantly adding 4, that 4 is our common difference. All right, so we are being asked to write the explicit formula. Now I realize I think I've been saying explicit rule, explicit formula. I probably say explicit rule the most. That must have been how I learned this. That's just my knowledge of arithmetic sequences. But it means the same thing. So don't let the fact that I use the word rule instead of formula throw you off. In order to write an explicit formula, let's just remind ourselves the format. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times your common difference. All you need to write an explicit formula is the first term and the common difference. And over here, we identified that the first term was a 7 and the common difference was a 4. So we can go ahead and plug those values in. A sub n equals, our first term is 7 plus n minus 1 times our common difference of 4, and then we just simplify this formula. We have 7 plus, we'll distribute the 4 in, so we have 4n. 4 times a negative 1 is minus 4, and then we can get our final answer by combining the 7 minus the 4. 7 minus 4 is 3, plus 4n, and now we have an explicit formula.